I'm more worried about Taiwan.
So are Trump's tariffs a short-term disruption or a long-term shift for global markets?
It's a very good question. If the tariffs are upheld by the Supreme Court, it would be a long-term shift. But like I said, we have to keep the tariffs in perspective of what the average wages are in certain countries. Because if your average wage in the US is $36, I'm just putting a number out there, and your average wage in India is $2, you never will be able to reshore a product like shoes or fabrics or clothes, to the US because it just would be too expensive. I mean, we can see some of it that AI will try to save costs, like in call centers. So if you look at India or the Philippines, from their perspective, they are probably a little bit worried about their employees at the call centers at the moment because they will be replaced by AI agents, which is obviously then quite cheap. But if you can't, from a production perspective, you can't replace everybody with a humanoid. So there will be still a lot of manual work, and that probably cannot be reshored. So at some extent, it's probably more the tariffs a revenue generation for the US than a reshoring exercise.